Well, hello everyone. It's Shanti Titus here with Profit Bone Financial Services, and hopefully you are having an amazing and a profitable week. And I definitely am. And one of the things I wanted to get right into is a word from our sponsor, which is Profit Mode Financial Services. Are you looking to make your side hustle official by creating an LLC, or to make your a business more official by being recognized by the state of Texas? Well, look no further. We have the class for you. So if you are looking to create an LLC with the state of Texas, we put together a class that's going to show you step by step how to create your LLC, how to get your EIN number, along with how to allocate the revenue that you receive as you earn it for your business. We also talk about vendors and the different filings that are necessary to maintain your LLC with the state of Texas, as well as paying out vendors and things of that nature. So what are you waiting on? Definitely click the link below and enroll in the class now. Okay. And we have 50% off. So the regular price is $97, but you can have it for $48.50. So click the link below and you can get started with that. All right. So in this particular video, one of the things I want to talk about is creating your financial statements. A lot of people, if they don't have accounting software, one of the things, the first things they do is they grab all their statements and they get their highlighter and they start highlighting different things and, you know, trying to put it all together. Well, that is the hard way to do it. So I'm going to show you, or tell you actually, an easy way to do it. One of the things you're going to do is you're going to go and open your online banking account. You're going to go to see where it says download. You're going to pick your time frame. So if you're looking to do your taxes for 2021, which, you know, you're running a little late, but what you would do, you would put in January 1st through December the 31st, and you would click download CSV. Now, when you download this information, it's going to come in a spreadsheet. Don't feel intimidated by that. This is definitely a tool that's going to be very useful for you. So then what you would do is you would highlight the date, the description, and the amount, and you would sort it by the description. Okay. This is going to make things a lot more faster and easy for you. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to make a column between the description and the amount, and then you're going to type in what the description actually is. So if you have Facebook ads or what have you, what you're going to write in that new column is going to be advertisement, advertisement, advertisement. Then if you had meals, Chick-fil-A or what have you, you're going to put in meals, meals, meals. Gas station, you're going to put in gas. So when you have these all organized for you, it's going to be easy for you to write it one time and then just slide it down. And so you're not doing it each and every time. Once you have that, all you're going to do is create a pivot table, and this pivot table is going to pretty much calculate all of the columns that say Facebook ads, all of the columns, that have their respective, descriptions that you actually typed in. And from there, you would essentially just create your profit and loss statement on a new sheet. You would add a new sheet to that particular one. You can use Google Sheets or Excel. And if you guys would like for me to create one to share with you, you would just copy and paste from that pivot table. You would copy that for your financial statement. If you want me to share that with you, I definitely can. Just leave a comment below saying share please, share please, share please. And I will do that for you. You'll be able to sign up and get one of those for free. All right. So hopefully that was helpful to you. Until next time, stay profitable and stay great. And you can definitely turn on the notification bell so you will never miss some great information to help you to take your business and money making skills to the next level. Till next time, bye y'all.